Welcome to problem of the day 93. So simplify the expression. So we got sine x plus tangent x over cosecant x plus secant x. So then what we'll do is break the corresponding tangent, cosecant, and secant apart. So tangent is sine x over cosine x. Cosecant is 1 over sine x plus secant x is 1 over cosine x. So now we'll need to find a common denominator for this top term. So you multiply sine by cosine over cosine. So that's where this cosine comes from. And then cosine in the denominator there. And then that sine is also added. So that's where this cosine comes from. And then that's all over 1 over sine x plus 1 over cosine x. And then now we'll need to find a common denominator on the bottom. So what we'll do is you'll multiply by cosine on this side and you'll multiply by sine on this side. These are a value of 1. So then you'll end up getting sine cosine in the denominator, like you can see here. And then you'll get cosine plus sine in the numerator right here in this bottom part of the fraction. And then you still have this same top part of the fraction. And then we can flip it and multiply together. So I flip this fraction, you can see it right there. That's been flipped. You multiply across, and you'll have to distribute this like that. And then this gets multiplied across. So then we get from distributing, we get cosine squared x times sine squared x plus sine squared x times cosine x. And then on the denominator from distributing, we get cosine squared x plus cosine times sine. And then we'll factor out a cosine. So I factored out a cosine. This is the new term here, right here. So the cosine got factored out. So then what we end up getting is cosine times sine squared x plus sine squared x over cosine x plus sine x. And you can see why we could factor out a cosine, because there's cosines in all these terms here. So that's the answer right here.